Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing your data, because a reset erases local files. Once backed up to Drive or a USB, make sure your Chromebook is charged above 50% or plugged in to prevent shutdown during reset. Next, sign out of any accounts. Then press ESC plus Refresh plus Power together to enter recovery mode. This key combo forces the firmware into the recovery environment so you can proceed with the factory reset safely. Once in recovery, you'll use the power wash path to restore factory settings. Press Ctrl+D. That brings up developer options and the power wash prompt. Confirm the power wash when asked. This erases local accounts, settings, and files so the OS is pristine. The Chromebook will perform the reset, then automatically restart. Make sure to keep it connected to power and wait. Interrupting the process can leave the device unstable, so be patient until you reach the fresh setup screen. After restart, you'll go through the out-of-box experience. Connect Wi-Fi, accept terms, and sign in with your Google account to restore cloud data. Make sure to reinstall apps from the Play Store or Chrome Web Store and reapply any device settings. If the Chromebook fails to boot or returns errors, retry recovery mode. If that doesn't work, create a recovery USB using another computer and the Chromebook recovery utility. Because a fresh recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.